Hey, what's up everybody guys? Welcome to Manick vlogs. या तो फिर this is gonna be a crypto talk. Every month there is a crypto talk in Mumbai. I think I'm pretty sure कि इंडिया में कहीं ना कहीं पे हर एक स्टेट में हर एक सिटी में होता होगा. But I'm really excited for this. But because I didn't used to visit this crypto talk since I have done one meetup last month. It was crazy good because networking इतनी अच्छी होती है, आप न्यू लोगों से मिलते हो, न्यू चीज़ें सीखते हो. And this time I'm taking my team with me because I think they should explore the crypto world as well. जिनको crypto के बारे में थोड़ा कम पता हो maybe. So guys, introduce yourself.
Hey, this is Gaurav Divedi and these
Hi
are...
guys, my name is Aniket.
Hello guys, I am the editor of Manick channel.
रवि भाई the technical guy. So रवि भाई,
हाँ भाई,
अब तो बाकी रह गए.
मुझे तो जानते ही है.
हाँ, तुझे सबसे मेरे से ज़्यादा जानते हैं रवि. हमारा जो क्रिप्टो मीटअप था, we went to that place and we were given another location which is anti-social club and we are expecting वहाँ पे अच्छा session होगा, अच्छी meetings होगी, अच्छी networking होगी. But at the same time my boys are excited move for सीधे मौत कि उसके shows होने वाले हैं. So we are waiting. क्या होने वाला है वहाँ पे हमें खुद को नहीं पता. So, what's your good name?
Robin.
We'll ask Robin, what's your favorite cryptocurrency and 3 reasons why?
Okay, are you asking me now?
Yeah,
Okay,
now.
alright, great. So my favorite cryptocurrency is definitely a Manick.
Okay.
Alright. The reason for that, it's we all know that Manick, the Sandeep Nainwal has said that they have a different platform, right? But he said there's only one currency that is available. So he has a Polygon Studio, Polygon Blockchain, Polygon NFTs, so many different Polygons stuff. But he has only one currency, and I respect that. So it's a first reason for me. Second reason is like we are very close to the Matic. The reason for we all know that Matic is like the gas fee is 0.0000. So we all love because of that. So I do all my transactions on Matic. So that's the reason I love. And the third reason is like, I'm Indian, bro. Right? So that's for it, man. That's for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sorry to disturb,
Yeah.
but it's gonna be a quick question. What's your favorite cryptocurrency and 3 reasons why? It should be quick.
Oh shit, Bitcoin because
Yeah.
it's decentralized, it's open source and it's a grassroots movement.
Okay.
Yeah.
The third reason?
Those are 3 reasons.
Okay, I think that was fast. Thank you. Ethereum for sure. Sorry to disturb you, but you have to answer me your favorite cryptocurrency and 3 reasons why. It should be quick.
Quick, I can do like a 2-hour thing on it, but like quick is difficult.
Make it 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 1 minute.
Okay, yeah, sure. My favorite would be Ethereum, and the main reason for that would be that's where I feel like the most innovation is happening.
Yeah.
Like you didn't have DeFi, NFTs or anything before Ethereum. And Ethereum is probably also the most inclusive community. You look at the founder who travels with like one backpack and is just advocating to create public goods. So I'm a major believer in why public goods is important rather than just creating profit maximizing companies. And Ethereum as a community is following that. So that would be one. One would be they're also kind of pivoting to how investment works as in the POS change rather than going from the
Okay,
environment.
so sorry to cut you off. Do you think proof of stake would be coming this August?
August? Definitely not because it's... but I feel it's somewhere down in Q1, Q2 of next year.
Q1, Q2. Guys, he's a Ethereum maximalist and this is his answer. Thank you so much, bro.
Hi, Kushal.
Kushal, so what is your favorite cryptocurrency and 3 reasons why?
My favorite cryptocurrency is a small cap called EDA, EDDA. Reason number 1 is that it's the social token of the company I work for, Ediverse. And
Brand promotion.
yes. After that, probably my favorite cryptocurrency would be Ethereum because I feel after the merge, it has the ability to take away the business from every other L1 in existence. And if you ask me my favorite NFT collection, it's the Mad Trooper. I'm just trying
You
to
have to
load
show
this. Yeah.
Guys, this is his company. Let's check this out. Could you change it from your phone?
Yes, sir.
Check this out. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's ask Bharat bhai, what's your favorite cryptocurrency and 3 reasons why? It should be
Bitcoin.
quick. Why?
Well, it's decentralized, it's peer-to-peer transactions, it's borderless, it's secure, and multiple other reasons.
Thank you so much. So, bro, first of all, what does WAGMI means for the people who doesn't know?
WAGMI is we're all gonna make it.
Let's go. We're all gonna make it. So, what's your favorite stock or cryptocurrency?
My favorite stock is Apple. I'm not very experimental. My favorite cryptos are BTC and ETH, and I'm a little bullish on Cardano as well.
Thank you so much.